TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. This is Steve Rhodes coming to you live from sunny Delray Beach, Florida. This is your 2 p.m. update. Currently, we've got all the indices trading to the upside. The Dow's up 558 points, the S&P 65, NASDAQ 100, 232, Russell's up 23, semis are up 24. But what we're doing here is we're trying to understand, is the market getting ready to take a timeout, or is it getting ready to move higher out here? And the way that we'll do that, folks, is by paying attention to this 30-minute chart here for the NASDAQ, the NQ. And what we're looking for out here is the high of that pattern was 13,471.25. And the close on the last bar, 13,485. We just got, so there was a TD9 count pattern for the 30-minute time frame that formed out here. And we got to close just above that as we came into that 2 o'clock session. And that is suggesting that the NQ wants to continue to move higher. That's a signal. Now, the NQ is going to move higher. It can very easily go ahead and pull the ES Mini, which has not given us that same message. It can easily pull the Dow, which also has not given us that same message, meaning that their TD9 count are still in play out here. So we've got a little bit of divergence. But the NQ most certainly can go ahead and pull things higher. And if that's the case, and regardless of whether that's the case or not, the NQ is just giving you the signal that it wants to go trade up to the top of that daily profile. That's at 13,512 out there. If we go take a look at what's going on with the primary instruments out here, the ES Mini, if it follows the Q of the NQ out there, then it's going to go target 3862. If you take a look at the U.S. dollar index is trading above resistance, above a B point of an A to B equals CD to the upside. That suggests a move to 91.80 over time. Gold is pulled back. It is below a rising trend line out there, suggests to move back perhaps to the 1815 level. We took a look at silver earlier, and silver had come back to a level of support, and its intraday time periods showed that we should see some kind of a bounce. Stevie's not calling it a bottom, just simply calling it a bounce. And especially, folks, I want you to pay attention to panel number, the center panel out here, where you've got the U.S. dollar index, gold, and silver. U.S. dollar index, a confirmed A to B equals C to the upside. Even if gold and silver were going to try to trade higher, they're going to have some stiff resistance as long as that A to B equals CD pattern is underway. Folks, stay tuned for David White, your favorite polar bear. He's up next. After that, Tom O'Brien to take us on home. Have a terrific Tuesday, and we'll look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.